Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this packet that I mean. I have this 2017 Wrangler Unlimited. How you doing? I hope you're doing okay. Back to the subject. We're gonna replace the tire rod because it's too shaky. Let me show you real quick where we at. You're gonna see this guy right here. It's not the one on the bottom, okay? It's this one on top. Alright? So all you're gonna do is, this is 21, by the way. This is 15. Alright, just hit it. 15. Sorry, 15. That's 21. Count this first, okay? I got 15 threads, lines, whatever you want to call it. And once you start like a twisting it, clock counterwise to the left. I don't know if it's to the left or to the right yet, but I'll show you in a minute. What I want to show you so far is that you don't push the tires all the way to the right, okay? You push it to the left. Like that. Okay. Now grab your 21 wrench and start removing that nut. Because if you put it all the way to the left, just because this thing is gonna be right here, it's gonna cost you more work. You know what I'm saying? Too much hassle. So the tip is push the tire or steer it all the way to the left, okay? So you have it right there. Now you grab your 21 and you start loosening that nut. You know what I'm saying? The tire all the way to the left is gonna help you, okay? Because if you have it all the way to the right, you're gonna have to hold the tire and push this to loose it at the same time. At the same time, god damn it. So, like I said, push the tire all the way to the left. You're gonna have a gap here, and that's how you remove it. Now you don't have to hold the tire. It gets hard though, so you have to do it. You have to do this. All right. Tip number 1. Oh, this is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. All right. Tip number 2. When you get here, right there, try not to lose it too much because you're not going to be able to remove your wrench, okay? You're not going to have enough gap and you're going to have to go back and tighten it again just so you can remove your wrench. Once you get here with a gap like that, use the other side of your wrench and remove it. You know what I'm saying? Now you don't have to fight it. Okay? That's gonna be tip number 1. Let me show you how much it's shaped. Just by hand. Shake. Well, now that I loosen, you cannot see it. There you go. You see that? That's why we're replacing that tire rod. Yeah, I mean. Okay. Tip number 3. I just want to say that, like I was saying in the beginning, if you push the tire all the way to the right, or if you steer all the way to the right, you're not gonna have enough space to remove that nut with a impact gun. You could do it with a wrench, but it's gonna be difficult. So then you start thinking like an engineer. You know what I'm saying? Even though you didn't even engineer this vehicle, you're gonna start thinking like, oh, what about if I push it, if I steer or push the tire all the way to the left? let's see where the tie rod in. So that's what I did. Push it all the way to the left, and I got a better angle of how to remove that nut. Now what you can do is hit it with a hammer here. Pop, it's gonna fall. Okay, or yeah, that should be enough. Just hit it with a hammer and it's gonna fall. Okay, and since you're not gonna use this tie rod again, you can hit it with an impact gun or chisel or with a hammer right there. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. So you don't want to hit this with a hammer too many times because you don't want to damage the bots. Okay, that's the bots. So what I end up doing is I heat it up with a torch, hit the spin. Okay, so, you don't need this boot though, but try not to burn it just for the sake or something, or whatever. It's up to you though. I didn't even burn it. You see that? So I hit this up, hit it up with a torch, then hit it with a hammer here, and then it drops. Alright, now I'm gonna remove that. You know how to do it. Okay, so now that you have it here, spray some WD-40 so make it easier for you to turn. It's gonna be counterclockwise, so you're gonna do it like to the left. Right there is okay. Okay, that's how it starts. Now you're gonna go left and turn. 1, 2. You feel me? Don't forget to grab it with a vice grip plier. Okay, so this thing doesn't spin the whole thing. You see that? Just grab it here and then spin the outer tie rod. Counterclockwise, like that. So every spin is, that's 1. I got 34 spins. Okay, now we matched the new one with the old one. Obviously you can tell which one is the new one. The one on the right, the old one is on the left. Look like they the same length, and we put it back. It's supposed to be around here. 34 turns to go in and 15 lines out, just to make it like kind of even, almost even. Okay, and if you're gonna do alignment after this, make sure you have new tires in the front and in the back, or just in the front. Okay, but that's gonna be like $100 more for the alignment. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy Estuvo Burum. Catch me in the next episode. I'm out. Now there's 34 turns right there. Now it's supposed to be 15 threads, counting from this one. 15 out. 15 threads over here. It should be okay. Just to make it even. Alright. That's, count with me. I'm not count from Sesame Street, but do it with me. 1 thread, 2 threads, 2 threads. Nah. Stop. Okay, you gotta count it though. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how you count it. Okay. God damn it. I can't. I need my right hand. I'll be back. It's not how many goes inside, but more like how many are outside. 15 on the old one. It should be 15 on the new one too. Alright. Now we're just gonna put the bolts here and put it back over here. Alright. And that should be it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Destroy that shit. Hit the like button. Hit the bell. So every time I upload something new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright. And share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know. Let me know anything about this project. Anything about your vehicle, how you like it, and all that. Alright. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one. Holla at your boy Estuvo. Now I'm out.